Well, hello YouTubers, and welcome back to the Holst Mitchell channel and another product review. Today's content is not sponsored in any way, shape, form, or fashion by the product featured. So I'm just reviewing this thing as a customer that's just tickled plumb shitless with the quality and functionality of the product being featured today. And what we're looking at today is a coolant line by the company Loc-Line out of Oregon. Now, finding a company that still makes something in the U.S. today, it's pretty rare. Most of our manufacturing has gone offshore to either Mexico or China, and which is too bad, because I would hazard to guess that anybody working in these factories certainly invests enough pride to, you know, put out a quality product, because after all, you know, their name, their reputation, their pride is resting on it. And I was rather surprised to find this coolant line here in eBay for an actual, you know, it's granted now it's about 5 times as much as this old one here from China, but I was rather surprised to find it for a halfway reasonable price. And so I decided to go ahead and buy it. Now this one here from China, it was dog shit right out of the box. I mean, it leaked right out of the box. It doesn't hold position at all. It just flip-flops around. The quality of this thing is anything but good. I mean, it did the job for a couple of years for the, you know, $7 or $8 that I paid for it. What can I say? I mean, you pay for what you get. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, it got the coolant to the tool, but the drippage was unreal. Here's a little footage of the new one at work, and as you can see, there's no drippage, there's no splatter, there's no nothing. So as you can see, this thing is definitely doing what it's supposed to. It's as rigid as a wetting prick. Let me tell you, it doesn't flip-flop around. You got a little control valve up there at the beginning of it that you can actually regulate the flow with. Now this one had one too, the old one, but it would plug up on occasion. So far I've had nothing but good luck with the new one. There's a kit that it came with. Let me grab that real quick. So this is the FlexiBox 1/4 inch from Loc-Line, and it had all kinds of doodads in there. It's got, oh, let's take a look here. Nozzles of all kinds in description. Big ones, little dinky ones. It also came with, I think, 8 segments of hose or line here, and then also with a set of, well, it's not a set of pliers, but a tool to put the thing together with and be able to take them apart. The one thing about the old one, it came apart real easy, but it went together real easy too, but there again, it just flip-flop around. It was pretty limp. It wouldn't hold shape, but unlike this one, it really does hold together good. And there's all kinds of there's a T in here to where you can, you know, run several nozzles at once. There's a check valve. Then there's a couple of different size of adapters for the different sizes of lines. And we also have broader nozzles here. I mean, it's got a lot of selection for, you know, for what it is. Like I said, I've paid a, you know, pretty decent price for it. But then on the flip side of the coin, they give you a lot. So if you're in the market for a new coolant line, by all means, check them out. You can find them in eBay. They also have a website. I'll put a pinned comment in this comment section below with the web address to the company and to where you guys can find them. So now, granted, if you buy one of these and you find, oh, look, it says made in Spain. Well, the case is made in Spain. I looked it up and found the company that made the box, and the content is still made in, I think, Bend, Oregon, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, it just says USA on here, but I did look them up on the website, and it was somewhere in Oregon, and I think it was Bend, if I remember right. Again, I'll correct it down here in the screen. But anyway, I've been just happier than a bug in a rug with the quality of this thing. I don't know what I'll do with the old one. Who knows? I'll probably use it to water tomatoes or something stupid. But yeah, this new system is absolutely the cat's meow. And like I said, absolutely no drippage. So anyway, I hope you were able to glean a little useful information out of today's presentation. Sorry if this is just a short, sweet video, but you know, what can you say about a coolant hose? They got pretty much just one function, and that's to deliver coolant to the tool that is at work on your mill. I got enough here where I can do another line for the grinder when it's done. And so I'll have, you know, several nozzles I can use on it. And like I say, awesome selection to work with. You know, they give you just about everything that you really need for just about any situation. They have a whole palette of different parts where you can make rings, you can make, I mean, you name it, where you got coolant coming to the tool from all sides in a ring. And you'll have to look them up on the website. Crazy. But like I said, today's content is not sponsored by Loc-Line. It's just me as a happy customer sharing with the folks out there in YouTube land a product that works, a product that's well worth the money, and something I definitely recommend because, one, it's made in the USA. So with that, if you have any thoughts, comments, critiques, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. It's always good to hear from the viewership. And help feed the algorithm a little bit and make the channel grow. So with that, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you all again soon in the next video.